भाषण के लिए हाजी श्रीमान।
Inspection of police parade by Chief Guest, Honorable Minister Shri Naresh Kabra.
सन्मानगत विश्राम।
आणि आता आमचे मुखेल सोयरे मानाधिक मंत्री श्री निलेश काब्राल हे आयच्या स्वातंत्र्य दिनाच्या निमतान सगळ्यांक उद्देशून आपले विचार मांडले.
सगळ्यांक व्हेरी गुड मॉर्निंग. आयच्या 75th इंडिपेंडन्स डे सेलिब्रेशनान आमचे मदें सगळे हांगा हे डिस्ट्रिक्टाचे तालुकाचे सगळे व्यक्ती पुलीस भाव भयणांलो. It gives me immense pleasure to be part of the celebrations of the 75th Independence Day of the country. आज जेन्ना when we see 70 today when we say that 75 years back what had happened, what was the need and why it has happened, if we all ponder over, we will believe in ourselves that what our ancestors did for us 75 years back was something which we all desired today, to have a free India. आज जेन्ना आमच्यो जेन्ना गरजो म्हाका दिसता दोन भशेच्यो गरजो आसता. एक गरज की आमकां फ्रीडम जे आज आमच्या पुर्वजांनी आमकां दिल्लें आसा, आनी हे पुर्वजांनी जेन्ना हो मुवमेंट चालू केल्लो एकूच विचार दवरून केल्लो की आमी आमच्या देशा भितर खंय तरी कोणाच्या राजवटा अंडर वा कोणाच्या शासना अंडर आमचे आसचें ना. आनी म्हाका दिसता गोंयान जरी आमकां एक थोड्या वर्सांनी लेट जालें, पूण आज एक अखंड भारत, एक युनायटेड इंडिया आमी जेन्ना एक देशाचो जेन्ना चित्र पळयता तेन्ना एकूच विचार येता की ज्यो गोष्टी 75 वर्सां पयलीं जाल्ल्यो, म्हाका दिसता जेन्ना आमचे देशा भितर आमचो देश व्हडलो आशिल्लो आनी खंय तरी तेजे कुडके जाल्ले आनी खुबशे लोक जेन्ना आमचे मदें ना जाले, आनी हे विचार जेन्ना येता, was this sacrifice made by those people then valid for what it is today? Is a question man we always ponder and we will always be pondering. But if you ask me personally, I feel yes, that what sacrifice was done that time, today when we are here in a free world and we are one of the largest democracies of the world, where we can express ourselves without any limitations, it gives us privilege to be part of this constitution and this great nation India. But with that, we have our own responsibilities. I always say that when we have our able Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, who is there looking after this country, and with his leadership, we have been even more stronger. We have seen the strength of him in protecting our boundaries. Today, people have to think twice. Our bordering nations have to think twice to come into our big country. They have to see what is this nation with the able leadership of the Honorable Prime Minister and with the determined administration and the police staff and the nation's military and all the Navy defense system of the country is today what is being heard and is being told of, that we can retreat to protect our countrymen from anybody coming from inside our country. Our nation has progressed a lot under his leadership. We still have to progress. But as individual citizens of this country, we have got the right of freedom. But that does not mean that we should not keep something what we got from our ancestors and for our future generations. Today, the nation is pondering over how to keep us all safe, how to keep the nation for our next generation. And we have a lot of challenges towards that. ह्यो जो चॅलेंजी आम्ही म्हणटा, it is in the form of various aspects. We all talk of protecting and preserving our identity. We also talk about giving protection to the environment. But I think we have to commit ourselves to protect this environment. It is just not the political class or the administrative class or the judicial class, but we as each individual citizen of this country has to vie to see that yes, it is also our duty to protect something. And going forward in this direction, I think we can have a lot of laws. I being the law minister, we have also ex-law ministers sitting on the dais. See, it is not the laws, there are so many laws, but it is us as a responsible citizen that we all should feel integrated to this nation. Sometimes my younger friends tell me that if you go to a country outside India, you will not find litter on the road. Prime Minister always says that if I decide, हांवें म्हटलें की हांव कांयच उडोवचो ना, then who is that person who will throw it out? So I think these are some fundamental things that we all have to work on to keep our nation free from all sort of nuisances, especially the plastic menace, which causes a lot of problems to the ecology of the state and the country. And we all as responsible citizens, if we all decide, I request all of you present here, including my young friends and also the police friends, then let us decide, let us take a pledge someday in our life that I will see that I do not litter. When I say I do not litter, automatically when everybody says I don't feel that this nation, this big menace which is there creating problems and will create problems in the future. We all know that the global warming is melting our glaciers, water levels are rising. We have seen pollution in our waters. We have seen some newspaper articles a few days back. We see a lot of things, but let us take a pledge today. 75 years from what we all have been experiencing, let us all take a pledge today, saying that I will make a difference in today's society. I will start doing something which we all have to do, and I will be responsible for the change. Today, Honorable Chief Minister of the State, Shri Pramod Sawant, who has been trying to endeavor to make Goa a self-sufficient state in all respects. He with his mitras and with the administration is trying to make Goa into a self-sufficient state. But only his dream, it is all of us who have to be part of the system. आणि आम्ही जर सगळ्यांनी हे गोष्टी केल्यो तर आम्ही पुढे जे संपूर्ण गोय स्वपन आणि अखंड भारत आणि आमचे जे गोष्टी आम्ही पुढे व्हरता तेन्ना हे आम्ही सगळ्यांनी मेळून आम्ही काम करू शकता. चड टायम घेवचो ना. आजचे 75 वर्साचे ह्या सुवाळ्याक म्हणजे 75 वर्सां ही खूबशी वर्सां जाता आणि आमचे मध्ये जी 75 वर्सां भोगलेले लोक कमी आसतले, पूण आमचे भितर तरणाटी पिढी जी आज 18 वर्सांची आनी जे 35 वर्सांचे आमी जगा भितर आमची जी पॉप्युलेशन आसा विथ दीस रेंज इज द हायेस्ट इन द वर्ल्ड. वी आर अ यंग नेशन, and when we say we are a young nation, it is our moral duty to keep ourselves young, to see that this young nation gives back to the future generation of this nation. And keeping this in mind, let us all take a vow sincerely that I, in two aspects of life. One is to see that we all protect. I do not throw garbage. I do not do this. I should be a good social person in the society, and when we try to be the best, so that the nation with eyes being all the best, this nation will not see the glorious days where we will be here to see the population amongst the younger minds, which we all see developing the nation to a futurist, glorious country in the whole world. Once again, a happy 75th anniversary of our nation. Wishing you all, and I hope that these few words of mine I have expressed, and I feel you all take it sincerely to say, I will do it. Thank you. God bless you. Jai Hind.
श्रीमान, गार्ड बदलने की अनुमति चाहता हूँ. सम्मान गार्ड, इन्हें 3 मिनट रहने लगा.
आमच्या मुखेल सोयऱ्यान आपल्या भाशणाक तुमकां सगळ्यांक एक विनंती केल्या रिगार्डींग क्लिनलीनेस जावं आमच्या देशा विशीं जें कितें कर्तव्य आसा तें आमी मानून घेवया. मोगाळ भावांनो आनी भयणींनो, 15 ऑगस्ट 1947 ह्या दिसा आमचो तिरंगो लाल किल्ल्याचेर हुबलो आनी 350 वर्सांची जुलमी ब्रिटीश राजवट सोंपून स्वातंत्र्याचो पयलो सूर्य भारताच्या भुंयेर उदेलो. पूण हें स्वातंत्र्य आमकां सहज मेळना. जायते जाणांनी त्रास काडले, मार खालो, बंदखण म्हणजे जेल भोगली आनी खूब जाणांनी आपल्या प्राणाची आहुती बलिदान दिवन आमकां स्वातंत्र्य मेळोवन दिलें. जे स्वातंत्र्या खातीर झुंजले तांचे भारता विशीं एक स्वप्न आशिल्लें. ह्या देशांत लोक सूख समाधानान जगचे, सगळ्यांक समान न्याय मेळचो आनी देशाची उदरगत जावची म्हणून तांणी अविरत परिश्रम केले. जहां डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया करती है बसेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा. जहां सत्य अहिंसा और धर्म का पग पग लगता डेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा. मोगाळ भावांनो, आमचे जवान सरहदीचेर म्हणजे बॉर्डरीचेर तैनात आसात. दीस रात वोत पावस थंडी झेलून ते आमच्या सीमेचे रक्षण करतात. म्हणून आमी सुशेगाद आमच्या घरांनी